is where I slept last night. Check this out. Pretty dope camp spot. I slept till 7. Now it's breakfast time. The noise of the river, I probably could have slept another hour. Good morning. Good morning. Holy did you see that? That pine cone just fell out of the sky. What's for breakfast, Wally?
Well, this is your breakfast. Don't breakfast. They ate super early.
Oh. There's a big line. Looks like there's a shorter line for coffee. So we'll go there first. I feel like this guy has the most pressure of anybody here.
For real.
He supplies the whole place with coffee every morning.
That's all I care about.
Now we can stand in line.
$3.
How was your breakfast? Great.
I don't even have a normal job. Like, why? An alarm go off, and I was like, oh, you're all right.
Okay, really big climb today. 10 miles, 3,000 feet of climbing from mile 18 to 28. Then we have another 3.5 mile climb up to the second feed. Then we have a ripping 10-mile descent with a lot of twisty turns in it. At least it looks like that on the map. Just gotta make it 10 miles uphill. That's gonna be tough. Doing a puncture. Full body submersion today. How cold do you think this water is?
Oh, it's above freezing. Not a lot.
It's gotta be like 50, don't you think?
In Canadian, it's probably like 4 or 5. Something like that.
It's 4 or 5 in Canadian. That's what the C stands for, Canadian.
I mean, it was ice about 50 miles that way.
Now it's water about 50 miles here.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a little girl. I feel like such a I'm not a tough guy. I don't pretend to be. This is really hard. How are you guys doing this? It's so cold right now.
We have been here for probably a couple hours once you jump off the rock.
I don't believe you at all. This is
just to jump off the rock and they're sick and then you roll.
I'm struggling to stand here.
I don't think it's just deep over there.
You jump in, then I'll jump in.
You don't go too far.
$5, you go in the pee puddle.
Pee puddle.
That's what we call it.
How deep is the pee puddle?
I think it's pretty good.
It's only pretty warm.
We've never seen the bottom of it.
All right, Wally.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
God almighty, that looks cold. Did you hear that guy on the rock? I was like, what if I pass out because it's so cold? He's like, I'll send the girls in after you. It did feel good though.
See my towel looks like James? It's not. It's actual sunflower seed water.
I don't believe you. Every time you walk by, you gotta do one. Also gotta grab some chips every time you walk by Snack Shack. This should be your new Tinder profile pic right here.